Well, 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 if it isn't, good old-fashioned Roblox Studio, thanks for watching, you guys. Hopefully you guys are all doing great. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a light switch system, as promised in my previous video. We are going to be learning how to make a light switch system. Basically, you click the switch, the light goes on or off. This is, again, very basic if you're looking to code like a little house. If you want to, you can add like a little house. This is a classic house, of course. We can kind of work in here just to I want to give my videos a little more of that kind of cool feel. But again, you don't have to go all the way out. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. We're going to be trying it out, and I'll show you guys how it works. So first things first, inside of your workspace, or at least in this case, inside of your house, you want to make a part. So you're going to insert a part right there, and you're going to call it a lamp, all right? So this part is going to be the lamp. Beautiful. You can obviously design it how you want it to be, of course. You can anchor it if you want. So inside of your lamp, you're going to right click and you're going to do something called insert object, or you just do insert. And then basically it's going to give you something called a point light. I know, I had to read about this. And it's basically just kind of what gives it kind of that, what it's emitting, so to speak. I'm going to color my lamp yellow, or like kind of this color. Or you know what, maybe I'll do it white. Yeah. I think that's a good color. At least for a lamp in this case. I'm going to kind of move it up so it looks that way. And we're going to just kind of leave it there. Perfect. So basically this is what's going to be our lamp, okay? And inside of the house again, what I want to do is I'm going to make a, not here, I didn't mean to do that. Here, basically we're going to be making the switch, right? So this is going to be our light switch. Okay, so here's the switch that's going to be kind of like turning on and off the light. So make it a little bit smaller. I want it to look kind of like a button, of course. And I'm going to color this, I don't know, a little bit darker, so it looks like that. So here's our light switch, and again, make sure it's anchored because it's still a switch. We don't want players to do it. And inside of this object, what we want to have is a click detector. So in the exact same fashion, what you want to do is you want to do click detector. So inside of our light switch now, because the light switch is the brains behind how the light is going on and off, what we want to do is we want to make a script, okay? So inside of here, we're going to make a script. We can call it the light script, and this is basically what's going to be how the light that we created turns, or the lamp that we created turns on and off. And I will write that code for you right now. Alright, so here we have our script. Basically, this is how it's going to work. This is basically what's going to be the reason why and why not the light or the lamp turns on and off. So basically what you want to do is you want to walk into your beautiful home right now. And now it's dark and it's off, turns back on, it's off, it turns back on. And again, this is pretty kind of cool way to, it's very simple, of course, but it's just kind of a cool addition to your game for a lot of reasons. You can even kind of put it on the wall if you want. You can kind of scale it differently. Let's scale this one, and yeah, you can scale it as much as you want, and this can kind of be like the on and off switch. It's a really great way to just add some kind of cool aspect to your game. You know what I'm saying? So there could be our on and off switch, and then we could even have the light if you guys want to get really fancy. This could be like one of those. I'm not a designer, of course. I'm not some kind of graphic designer, but you could even insert like a model into your workspace, and you could kind of give it that point light effect. So if I try it now, it just looks more, it'll illuminate better than before. So we have our light, and then we tap that and the light turns off, light turns back on, light off, light back on. So again, this is very basic, but it's a very cool way to add a little bit of personality to your game. A cool kind of thing to do. I told you guys I'm trying to get into some more complicated stuff. I'm trying to learn about it. So if I ever do make a mistake, just bear with me. But I'm trying my best to make sure I give you guys the best possible coding, kind of basic coding knowledge that there is out there. So yeah, feel free to subscribe, you guys. Thanks for liking the video. Yeah, if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, and comment what else you want me to do. I don't mind trying out some cooler stuff now. Yeah, I mean, even my avatar looks annoyed that I'm talking so much. So peace out. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.